Welcome back to PyByte YouTube. Yesterday I was delivering a code clinic on mocking, and I will definitely do a self-contained video about the topic. It can be pretty confusing. But there was a nice snippet in there about fixtures, how you can set up code for testing and tear down. And yeah, today I just included that little snippet to show you how fixtures work and how you can tear down code by using the yield statement inside your fixtures. Okay, so this is nice actually. So I got 3 rows instead of 1, and that's because we're not cleaning up the database, right? We just keep using the same database over and over again, right? So here we get into fixtures, and yeah, so it's kind of funny, right? We do a clinic on mocking, but we're actually going into pytest fixtures, which is not a bad thing because they're kind of important. So yeah, so this whole database setup, or at least the tear down, I would say we need to put in a fixture, right? So I can do import pytest. Then we use the fixture decorator. It's called db. Move that here, and yeah, so how fixtures work. We can do some setup code, then we can return, and then the fixture is kind of done. Or we can use the generator mechanics of yielding the db, and then after the test it will come back, and then we can do tear down code here, right? So again, returning, then the fixture is done, no cleanup needs to be done. But if you yield it after this test, or any test that will use the fixture is done, it will come back here. And that's exactly what we want, because we want to do always remove db, right? We want to just delete this test database when we're done. And then to use the fixture, we can just pass it in as an argument, right? So capfd is also a fixture, but that comes with pytest. This is now our own fixture, and you can call multiple fixtures in any test function. So this becomes db, and this becomes db. And now, so it will run this test, and then it will go back to this fixture because there was a yield. So it passed the execution like a generator, and then it will remove the test database. Yeah, that's still because the tear down didn't kick in, but hopefully it did now. Yeah, there's no test file anymore, test database. So now it works consistently. All right. So now you also learn fixtures. So I hope this is helpful, and yeah, later this week or next week I will be back with a self-contained video about mocking in unit testing.